Hey, what's up, guys? This new course just came out called 5-Minute Money Machines. It's claiming it can show people how to set up little recurring income machines in 5 minutes. We're going to find out if this is real or not. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and I just finished up this new course that came out called 5-Minute Money Machines by Mark Barrett and Vicky Barrett. I think they husband and wife, I'm assuming. But before I get into that, if you are serious about starting your own online business, be sure to check out Builderall and Genesity. Both links are in the description of this video. Now, as you've seen in my little intro, got this course, nice little sales letter it had, sales page, and the whole thing was how to start setting up little money machines that make recurring income, right? That's that income that comes in every month. You make a sale and you get paid for months and months and years, and I love that concept. I'm always preaching residual income, passive income. So I'm like, you know what? This course looked pretty decent. It was only, I want to say like $9. So I'm like, you know what? Let me check it out. All right. First and foremost, what is the course about? The course, without giving too much away, showing some respect, but the course is basically taking a link, right? You get an affiliate link, and you're putting that affiliate link somewhere else, right? And you're basically paying to get some traffic to this affiliate link. I'll just put it like that. Which is the course is a very simple idea. And I've been in the game for a while, but I knew about this. And if you're kind of experienced, you definitely know, the technique used in this course, but it's a matter of taking, where you're getting your link from, so to speak, like what you're promoting and where you're promoting the link at and putting them together, right? So a lot of people like internet marketers will be familiar with everything that's put in the course, but it's like, oh, have you ever thought of actually putting them together, right? That's like the best way to describe it. Now, is the course easy? Is the actual method taught in this course easy? It is absolutely easy. Definitely super easy, right? Is it effective? Like, could it work, right? Absolutely. It can work, in my opinion. And it's one of the things I haven't tried yet. You know what I mean? One of the resources that they talk about in the course, I haven't tried. But I'm very familiar with it, and I'm sure I will try this, right? So could it work? Absolutely. Does it make sense? Absolutely. Is it guaranteed money? Right? No. And in my opinion, I mean, none of this stuff is guaranteed. Nothing really. 9 to 5 is not guaranteed. So I'm saying it's not guaranteed money, but I'm saying it with the notion of you're more likely to make money with this method than not make money with it, right? So, are there some upsells? I feel about upsells. I hate them, but in the internet marketing game, it's like it's part of the. If you become a product developer or something, like you have to have upsells. I mean, you don't have to, but I mean, if you're trying to make money, you usually throw upsells, some sort of upsells in it, whatever. There's about 5 or 6 upsells. I did not get any of them. Do you need them? Not really. Maybe the first upsell is a $37 upsell. It could be beneficial to newbies, so to speak, but I don't know. I don't see me, needing the upsells. Maybe in the future I'll grab them to see more what they're about. But the actual course itself, is it worth $9? Yeah, it's worth $9. Especially if you're new. It definitely will help you out. If you've been in the game for a while, you're not gonna learn no new Like nothing in there is going to be new, but you're actually paying for the idea of taking this, and putting them together, right? Like I said before, I'm not huge on buying courses anymore, especially after my book. I came out with how to start working from home, starting today, whatever. Link also in the description. Look for it. But it's a cool method. It's a cool course. Like I said, this is a review video, so it's a legit course. I would recommend it more for newbies if you're just getting into the game. Be prepared to spend a little money though, because the actual method is not a lot of money, but you will have to. I would say be willing to put up at least, you know, $30 to $50 after getting the course just to get that traffic, to start getting them sales. But guys, I ain't gonna lie to you, nothing like recurring income, right? Nothing like passive income. It's awesome, and that's why I always talk about Builderall and Genesity, right? So I'm gonna wrap this up. 5 minute money machines is legit. It can work for you. I would say mainly for newbies, but I'll put a link to that if you want to check it out as well in the description. And leave me some feedback if you got any questions about the course or any other questions. Let me know. Be sure to share this video and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.